Hi sellers, welcome to this video on how to set your operating days on Amazon. In this video, we'll show you how to use the operating days feature to choose which days of the week you work. No orders will be assigned to you on your days off, and the delivery promises shown to customers will update once you save your changes. To get started, log into your Seller Central account. Click on Settings in the top right corner and select Shipping Settings. Then go to the Settings tab next to Operating Days and click Edit. You will see checkboxes for each day of the week. By default, Sunday is set as the rest day. You can select any one day off per week. If you work all 7 days, simply check all the boxes. Please note that you cannot choose a day off within the next 2 days. For example, if you change your weekly off day on Tuesday, you cannot select Wednesday or Thursday as your day off. Also, any orders placed before the change must still be fulfilled according to the original schedule. Once you're done, click Save to apply your settings. Your operating days will take effect immediately after saving. You can also check the list of holidays in the Holidays section. That's all there is to it. You now know how to set and manage your operating days in Seller Central. This feature helps you organize your workdays and maintain accurate delivery promises for customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling!